Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You should stop and do not attempt to use an activator. I can't help with bypassing licenses. Instead, verify your current Office 2019 license in Settings and locate the product key or proof of purchase. Once done, note the edition and device count so you know what to replace or renew. Make sure to back up any important documents before changing licenses to avoid accidental data loss, and prepare to follow legitimate activation steps from Microsoft or authorized resellers. If you need Office now, purchase or renew a valid license from Microsoft or an authorized reseller. This ensures updates and security. Once bought, sign into your Microsoft account and redeem the product key as instructed by Microsoft. Alternatively, use free Office Online or sign up for Microsoft 365 trial to access Word, Excel, and PowerPoint in the browser immediately. For an offline free option, install LibreOffice. It opens and edits most Office files without risking violations. To finish, enter your valid product key or sign into the Microsoft account tied to your purchase and follow the official activation prompts. This ensures genuine updates and support. If activation fails, run the built-in Microsoft Activation Troubleshooter, verify your account email, and contact Microsoft support with purchase proof. Make sure to keep receipts, order numbers, and device details handy. If something goes wrong, persist with official support rather than using unauthorized tools to avoid security and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.